Hey guys, it's Addison Rae. I'm going to be walking you guys through my skincare and everyday tonight glowy makeup look. Wow! Hi! I need a bad blip. Ooh, Addison Rae. Shut it the baddest. Shut it the baddest. So hey guys, it is I, Tarila Green, back again with another video. And just like the title indicates, you already know what is going on. I don't know why I'm so excited. I've always wanted to do a video from one of these Vogue people. And now we have Addison Rae on Vogue giving us her go-to glowy makeup look with me recreating it. I don't know why, but I absolutely love all these Vogue beauty secrets. Even if I don't know the celebrity, I'll be watching like... Yeah, so we're just gonna go straight into the video. As you guys can see, dry, crusty. I hope by the end of this video with the makeup look, I'll be looking like glazed donuts.
Hey guys, it's Addison Rae. I'm going to be walking you guys through my skincare and a day to night glowy makeup look. So first step, I'm going to be washing my face.
I've washed my face.
And then once I wash my face, I go in with a oil.
I do not have a face oil and I frankly do not like oil on my face. But I have vitamin C face serum, so that's what I'm going to use in this video. Yeah. Right now she's massaging her face.
My skin is normally pretty good with acne, like it doesn't really break
too.
out.
She's massaging her face right now and I do not have the jade roller or anything to massage my face, so I'm just gonna look.
And after I use my jade roller, I go in with a moisturizer.
Now y'all are gonna come at me. Let me show you the moisturizer I use for my face. Yes, it is body lotion. Everything I need in a moisturizer is in here. A teeny bit, like Addison Rae.
Comes out. I rub it all the way down to my neck as well.
Me too.
Here I go in with the Tatcha lip mask.
Once again, this is what I always use for my lip mask.
And also right after my skincare and putting on my sunscreen, I go right into my makeup and use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation.
Oh, we're doing makeup now. So I will be using this one. Beckham Ageless Foundation.
So I usually will take my setting spray that I use at the end of my makeup and wet my beauty blender with it.
My beauty blender is already wet. I use water.
And then I put my foundation on my hand, just about this much.
Just about this much.
Kind of just all over my face. And then from there, I blend with my sponge.
And from there, I blend with my sponge.
I learned how to do my makeup from my mom.
I learned how to do my makeup from my older cousin actually. Like she taught me the basics and from there I would like watch random videos on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. She did not apply a lot of foundation and looking at my own face, I want to apply more foundation. But since Addison Rae did not apply a lot of foundation, then I'm just not gonna too.
Alright, I'm gonna take my Item Concealer.
So she just applies her concealer like this. Not too much again. I just find it funny how Addison Rae clarifies that she has always been interested in makeup.
I just really wanted to make products that would make people use them to enhance their features instead of covering them up and make them feel like the best and most confident version of themselves.
Nothing left to say, like, period.
For blush, I'm going to be using this Beauty Counter blush stick.
She goes straight to blush. Now, I know this is a glowy, dewy makeup look, but I applied concealer. I'm just going to set it just a little bit. Next is blush. I do not have liquid blush. I use the eyeshadow in James Charles palette.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
I use the color 10% off and you're kidding for blush. How does she apply her brush?
And just dab it on my cheeks.
Okay.
And then also with my blush, I also put it on my nose.
Then she also applies the blush across her
And kind
nose
of go
because
for
she
like a
wants to get a
sunburnt-ish
sunburn
look.
Wait, she put sunscreen to avoid sunburn.
Alright, and then next up I will be going in with my bronzer.
Next up, she goes in with her bronzer. No, I do not have a bronzer.
I'm going to be using my Beauty bronzer in Off Topic. I'm going to be using the Patrick Top.
So she's doing her eyebrows now. I usually do my brows first thing, so this is a little bit weird for me. She uses gel first, but I just don't want to use gel.
I don't fill in my eyebrows very often unless there are like little spots that I need to, like maybe here.
So I went ahead and did my brows already. She just filled her in a tiny bit, while me, I gave mine a little bit of an end.
And do like a soft winged eyeliner.
Next is our soft wing eyeliner. Looking back onto my previous quick makeup tutorial video, this is exactly how I did my eyeliner.
And then I'll do it to the other side as well. I love the freckles that people do.
Freckles. And next, this is the favorite part. This is the part I have been waiting for. And I have this thing. It's an eyebrow gel actually.
I will normally like go back in with my eyebrow pencil and like remake these freckles. Then I take my beauty blender once again and blend.
So we take our beauty blender and blend.
And then you have little freckles.
Yeah.
I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury highlighting wand.
Highlight the secrets to a dewy skin. So for my own highlights, I am using this. It is not liquid highlighter.
Dab it on the spots that I want to highlight.
So she puts it where she sees necessary. I'm just gonna put mine in the same place, honestly.
I'll normally put it like under my eyebrow as well.
Ooh, I like that. I like that.
I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow.
And she uses an eyeshadow that complements her skin tone. The next, I'm going to use this shimmer.
For mascara, I'm gonna use my Item Lash Snack and just go right in like normal.
Mascara. So we've done our mascara and we've gone all out with our mascara as one does. And next she said, line your lips.
So for lips, I first go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat and just outline my lips.
Lips lined. And next is the lipstick. But I don't like lipstick, so we're going straight to lip gloss. I really like this look on me.
I will go in with my setting spray and set my makeup.
Time to set all this in. I'm using the Kiss Beauty Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Makeup Fix. I personally like to dab my setting spray in a little bit. Oh, this looks dewy. This looks good. We're almost done, you guys.
And then after I finish my makeup look, I go right into my hair.
So she moves on to her hair, and so by the time I come back, you guys are going to see the finished look. Gonna move out of the... Okay.
I think my haters just really be wanting to kiss.
Do you guys think I pulled this off? So let me know in the comments below if you think this pulled off. Honestly, I really do not apply my makeup like this. But I think Addison put me onto something here.
This movie is good.
I love it. I wish I could have made it to golden hour so that I can test all this in the sun. But the sun is already gone, and I guess we have to look at it like this. So yeah, I am a bad bitch. Tamila Green. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it at any point, you know what to do. I upload every Sundays and Thursdays 4 p.m. West African time, so if you like that consistent content, subscribe. I have other videos for you to watch, so you can definitely binge on that. And have a nice day.